Okay, guys, so this is a tour of our house, and hi, Leah. So how do you get in this house? And where is it? Well, so if you go, so let's just look around. If you go, so you can't really go in there, but if you go in F5 mode and crouch, you can get in. Okay, so this is the house. This is how it looks like when you enter. And this is our security room, our control room, and it has computers in it. And the torch in the middle is supposed to be a lever because in this game there's no levers. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, now I'm going to go into my room. And this is our spy room. Also, sorry, I have a little cough. And yeah, so let me just go in here. Oh, I can't open the door. Okay, there. And this is my friend's room. And so yeah, there's two entrances to her room. So if you're wondering what the other door was, let me close this. So if you're wondering what the other door was, also hi Leah. If you're wondering what the other door was, it was just her room. What do these stairs lead to? Well, they lead to another spy room that we share. The one in my room, we don't share. So that's really it. Let me fly up here. Okay. Also, if you're wondering what game this is, it's a different version of Minecraft on Roblox. So yeah, and this is this is what the outside looks like. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I really like this house. We worked really hard on it. And yeah. So yeah, it's amazing. Okay guys, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now bye!